Hi everybody, we at Walthers are very excited for the holiday season, and if you want to find something better than this sweater under the tree, be sure to check out this latest edition of the Walthers new Product Express. We have a wide variety of new model railroading products to share with you this month, so let's get started. First up from Walthers Proto is a specialized car that's sure to add some interesting timber traffic to your railroad. This new Walthers Proto model is based on a car built by the Southern Iron and Equipment Company, or SECO, beginning in the 1960s. These distinctive flat cars hauled pulpwood from forest to paper mills for decades. Even if you don't have a mill on your layout, these SECO cars with their distinctive bulkheads make for an eye-catching addition to your mainline freights. The Walthers Proto model includes detailed bulkheads and captures the prototype's distinctive V-shaped deck. Separate details include brake gear, ladders, and grab irons. The HO car also features a heavy die-cast metal underframe, metal wheel sets, and metal Protomax knuckle couplers. Be sure to add even more realism to your SECO pulpwood car with a custom pulpwood load from Chooch. This one-piece resin load features painted and detailed pulpwood logs and is especially designed to fit the Walthers Proto SECO model. The Walthers Proto SECO pulpwood flat car is available in 3 road numbers each of the following road names: CSX, Georgia Railroad, Illinois Central Gulf, Norfolk Southern, Richmond, Fredericksburg and Potomac, and Southern Railway. Next up, we move from the forest to heavy industry with the return of this Walthers Proto heavy-duty boxcar. First built by Pullman Standard in the mid-1960s, 86-foot double-door high-cube boxcars fast became a staple of the automobile industry. The cars had an extra-large capacity for efficiently hauling lightweight sheet metal. They also had large double doors to accommodate forklifts for fast loading and unloading. If you're modeling a North American main line between the 1960s and the 2010s, you'll need a few of these supersized boxcars in your highest priority freight trains. The Walthers Proto HO scale 86-foot double-door high-cube boxcar models the correct ribbed ends and unique side sills with visible interior posts found on the Pullman Standard prototype. Grab irons, ladders, and door hardware are separately applied. End platforms are made of etched metal and feature realistic see-through tread. Metal Protomax knuckle couplers and metal scale 33-inch wheels ensure reliable performance. All the models offered are decorated in accurate paint schemes with crisp lettering, including legible warning and maintenance stencils. These 86-foot high-cube boxcars are coming soon in 3 road numbers each of the following road names: Atchison, Topeka, and Santa Fe, Chesapeake and Ohio, Detroit, Toledo, and Ironton, Louisville and Nashville, Norfolk and Western, Penn Central, St. Louis Southwestern, and Western Pacific. If you're looking for a way to add more character to your freight trains, get into the spirit of winter and add some snow fighting equipment to your freight trains. The Russell Car and Snowplow Company was one of the premier builders of railroad snow fighting equipment. Single-track plows like the prototype for this Walthers Proto model have served on North American lines since the 1920s to the present day. Snowplows are the stars of the show on a winter work train, and they're equally interesting when spotted on a station siding or at an engine terminal. Whether part of a train or a scene, these Walthers Proto plows are sure to be eye-catching additions to any HO scale layout. The HO models are fully assembled with a complete underbody, detailed flanger, and separately applied grab irons, smoke jack, and other details. The car rides on scale 33-inch wheels and includes a metal Protomax knuckle coupler on the rear. Other features include positionable side wings and railroad-specific headlights and other detail parts. This new run of snowplows is available in the following road names and paint schemes: Ann Arbor, Chesapeake and Ohio, Chicago Great Western, Green Mountain Railroad, New York, New Haven and Hartford, Minneapolis and St. Louis, New York, Susquehanna and Western, Maintenance of Way, and a special Jaws shark tooth inspired Maintenance of Way scheme. An undecorated version is also available. Last up from Walthers Proto is a classic wood caboose. Sure to find a home on many steam and diesel-era layouts, this Walthers Proto caboose is based on a common 30-foot design originally built for Grand Trunk Western and several other railroads beginning in the 1920s. The wood-bodied cars rode on steel underframes, with many examples soldiering on into the 1970s. The Walthers Proto model features sharply molded wood detail on the sides and roof. The car has separately applied running boards, grab irons, smoke jack, and other details. The model's underbody is also super detailed with separately applied brake gear. Other features include a detailed interior and clear window glazing. The HO scale 30-foot wood caboose rides on accurate leaf spring arch bar trucks with metal wheels and features metal Protomax knuckle couplers. This new Walthers Proto caboose is coming soon in 2 road numbers each of the following road names: Burlington Northern, Canadian National, Denver and Rio Grande Western, Grand Trunk Western, both the early and late paint schemes, and the Western Pacific. Moving on to Walthers Mainline, we have an all-new model based on a long-serving ACF prototype. Developed in the 1960s, American Car and Foundry's Centerflow concept has influenced covered hopper design ever since. Centerflow hoppers use a rounded car body that provides structural strength without the weight of additional bracing. This design also makes the hoppers faster to unload. Depending upon the hatches and gates they were equipped with, these hoppers could be used in plastic pellet service or for transporting grain or feed. Built from all new tooling, this Walthers Mainline model is based on a 5,250 cubic foot Centerflow hopper built by the thousands beginning in the 1960s. Examples could be found serving on North American rails well into the 21st century. The accurately scaled HO hopper features trough or round hatches and gravity or pneumatic gates as appropriate for each road name. Each Walthers Mainline model features brake gear, ladders, and other detail parts. All the cars ride on metal wheels and feature metal Protomax knuckle couplers. This all-new hopper is coming soon in 3 numbers each of the following road names: Baltimore and Ohio, Archer Daniels Midland, Denver and Rio Grande Western, El Rexine Plastics, Rock Island, and Shell. A gray data-only version and an undecorated version are also available. Next up from Walthers Mainline are 2 new boxcars that are sure to round out your freight car rosters. Walthers Mainline 50-foot PC&F insulated boxcars are based on AAR Class RBL prototypes with insulated interiors and load restraints. First built by Pacific Car and Foundry in the 1960s, cars of this design served well into the 21st century. These cars were favorites for shipping priority freight, including food, beverages, packaged chemicals, and finished wood products. The Walthers Mainline models are accurately scaled to match their prototypes' AAR Plate B dimensions. The models are scale 50 feet, 8 1/4 inches over end sills, 10 feet wide, and 15 feet tall. They are based on the as-built version of the car with high ladders and a running board. The model also captures the prototype's distinctive hydro-cushioned cylinder and extended draft gear, late improved dreadnought ends, diagonal panel roof, and 9-foot Youngstown plug doors. The cars ride on 33 scale-inch metal wheels in 70-ton roller-bearing trucks and feature Protomax metal knuckle couplers. The insulated boxcars are available in 4 numbers each of the following paint schemes: Atchison, Topeka, and Santa Fe, Burlington Northern, Chesapeake and Ohio, St. Louis and San Francisco, MPLX, Sioux Line, and Union Pacific. If you model a slightly earlier era, you're going to be sure to want to check out this last boxcar announcement of the month. The Walthers Mainline 40-foot ACF single-door boxcar models a general service car with welded sides built by American Car and Foundry after World War II. Cars of this design served by the thousands across North America. Other prototypical features include a 10-panel body, 8-foot Youngstown doors, late 4.4 improved dreadnought ends, and a Stanray diagonal panel roof. Riding on correct scale 33-inch metal wheels with metal Protomax knuckle couplers, these Walthers Mainline cars are sure to provide years of reliable service on your layout. Look for the 40-foot ACF single-door boxcars this winter. They're available in 4 numbers each of the following roads: Bangor and Aroostook, Central Railroad of New Jersey, Detroit, Toledo, and Ironton, Louisville and Nashville, Norfolk and Western, Reading, and Western Pacific. Now I'm going to turn things over to Anthony, and he's going to tell you about some all-new Cornerstone products that are sure to make your holiday season all the merrier.
Thanks, Dana. Railroads are more than just tracks and trains. They're the heart of an interconnected logistics network. Our new transload facility lineup brings that vital connection to life. Transload facilities are vital hubs where cargo transitions between different modes of transportation, from rail cars to trucks and vice versa. They play a key role in industries like agriculture, manufacturing, and construction, making them an indispensable part of any industrial-themed railroad scene. Our new transload facility lineup has everything you need to model these operations in incredible detail. From the infrastructure to the specialized equipment, you can create a bustling transload scene where goods like corn syrup, bulk powders, grain, and construction materials move seamlessly between rail and road. Let's take a closer look at the first item in this series, the corn syrup unloading facility, and explore how the other components tie it all together. As the demand for bulk liquid transport grew in the mid-20th century, facilities specifically designed for commodities like corn syrup became essential in industries such as food processing and sweetener manufacturing. This facility replicates the operations seen in rail-served industrial parks across North America, where tank cars bring in corn syrup from processing plants, and tanker trucks distribute it to bottling facilities, bakeries, and more. This highly detailed kit includes a garage with overhead access doors and loading platform, 4 large storage tanks for syrup containment, a mobile boiler house for auxiliary services like steam and heat, a shipping container-style mobile office for site operations, intricate piping for unloading rail cars into storage tanks or trailers. The boiler house and mobile office included in this kit are also sold separately, giving you more options for customizing your transload operations. Next in the lineup, the Cornerstone Transload Facility Safety System is designed to replicate safety measures found in industrial environments, particularly those associated with transloading operations. This modern safety structure provides protection for personnel working on top of freight cars. Featuring 2 styles of columns and 2 types of foundations, this piece offers everything you need to model a safe working environment. Add more detail to your safety system with the Scene Master trackside workers. These figures are painted in realistic colors and come complete with hooks and thread, allowing you to attach them to the Cornerstone Safety System's safety lines. Whether it's a worker operating the auger, a crew member guiding grain into a truck, or safety personnel on a transload platform, these figures will help tell a story. Now that the workers are in place, let's equip them with the utility auger to keep things moving. Utility augers have been crucial in agricultural and industrial settings for decades, moving bulk materials like grain, sand, and gravel between various storage points without requiring the long reach of a belt system. Its adjustable pistons allow for varying elevation, perfect for tight spaces or tall trailers. It features a low-profile hopper for tight-fitting transfers beneath rail cars and trucks, adjustable height landing gear to fit various loading scenarios, and a mounted PTO drive attachment. Need more storage options? Let's explore a versatile shed for your transload facility. Typically located trackside for easy rail service, our open-air intermodal shed can also be placed in other industrial or farming settings. It's perfect for storing materials like gravel, sand, grain, or construction equipment, where protection from rain, snow, and extreme temperatures is key to maintaining product integrity. It also includes a detailed ramp to easily transfer goods between the shed and vehicles or rail cars. To help move those materials, we have the Cornerstone Belt-Type Transloader. This unit transfers bulk materials between rail cars, trucks, and trailers with ease. Its adjustable pistons allow for varying elevation. With a low-profile trough and movable wheels, it's designed to keep things moving smoothly, essential for maintaining efficient loading and unloading. Now let's lay the foundation with our next product. To complete your transload facility, our pavement set provides a versatile foundation. It includes 12 pavement sections, various track pans, and even cement crossings, giving you everything you need to create a realistic, functional-looking unloading area. And one more item from Scene Master to round out your transload facility. The dry bulk trailer is perfect for transporting powdered substances like grain, flour, or silica. These trailers, first widely used in the mid-20th century, revolutionized the transport of bulk goods by utilizing pneumatic systems, providing a clean, efficient, and highly effective way to load and unload bulk materials. The pressurized air quickly moves the materials through sealed pipes and hoses, ensuring fast, clean, and safe transport, without the dust, mess, and inefficiencies often associated with other systems. Today, these bulk trailers continue to serve as a standard piece of equipment in industries where large quantities of materials need to be moved quickly and safely. They feature a triple compartment pneumatic tank with top access hatches, discharge and charging piping, standard height kingpin for attachment to tractors, movable wheels with metal axles, and it's available in the following paint schemes: Medusa Cement Company, Poly Merchants Inc., Valley Growers Association, Red Wing Milling Company, Theobroma Limited, Glacier Industrial Sands, and an undecorated version is also available. Thank you for joining us on the Walthers New Product Express. Everything you've seen here today is available for pre-order at your local hobby shop. For more information, visit walthers.com and be sure to sign up for our weekly e-newsletter. Happy holidays, and we'll see you next year.